Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. What can you buy for your Disney adults in your life? Some of these are unusual, uncommon, and most of them won't break the bank. The first one is a book of maps. The book of maps contains the worlds created within the Disney World movies, such as Jungle Book, Alice in Wonderland, things like that. This is an unusual gift that could surprise that Disney fan. So you can get this gift for $20.94. Not bad. This is probably one of the most expensive gifts that I'm going to list. Gift number 2 for your Disney adult. If they love these, they need a way to store these. So if you're a Disney adult, collects Minnie ears. An awesome way to store them is in a shadow box to hang them up on the wall. That way you can see them, they don't get dusty, they don't get dirty, and they're safe. No harm is going to get to them. You can buy this online at IKEA for $9.99. What an awesome gift. And it's something unusual. I love it. I'm going to show a picture of what it looks like to put your Minnie ears and what size you need, which is a 9x9. Here you go. Sorry about that. I had to change out my batteries, so I moved my camera. So if it looks different, sorry. The next gift for your Disney adult is 3D puzzles. These 3D puzzles come in many shapes. You can get the traditional Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, Pluto. You can get all of the princesses. These can be bought on Amazon for $13.99. If you have a Disney adult that likes to collect Disney pins, a great way to show them off is with a corkless corkboard in none other shape than Mickey's head. This can be bought on Etsy, so it would be small business, which is great. We love supporting small businesses around here. The price for this is $10.36. Disney adults, they love including Disney into their daily lives. I highly encourage you to buy the silicone Mickey shaped molds. They can use these to cook eggs, pancakes, so many things. And what a way to start a day. Everyone loves Mickey shaped food. It's a great day. It's a great way to start a day. I found these silicone molds for $19.95. Another way to add cheer to Disney adult daily life is by giving them Disney stationery. I was able to find this on Amazon through Hallmark for $10.62. If your Disney adult isn't good at keeping plants alive, you can always buy them a faux succulent. I was able to find this faux succulent in a ceramic pot from the movie Bambi. How cute is this? And it was only $9.95. This next gift is the most expensive that I'm going to share today. It starts at $24.99, but this candle smells like Main Street, USA. If you don't know this scent, it is spectacular, and it brings so many memories of seeing that castle right whenever you come around, and just the sound of small town USA and the beauty of Disney World. It's a great feeling. The next gift is from Etsy also, so another small business, and I love this one. I hope Jason listens. I really want this one because I would love to have it for my desk. It is a nameplate. I want my name with a Disney character, and it starts at $12.98. Sounds like a win-win to me. The Disney adult in your life talks about Disney food all the time and how spectacular they love it and how they can't wait to eat it again. Buy them this. It is the Unofficial Disney Parks Cookbook. I found it on Amazon for $11.99. This book gives the recipes for Dole Whips, Mickey Pretzels. Who doesn't love Disney Parks food? It's the best. I'll include the links for everything down below. I hope this helps you. I hope it was fun. Something unusual. I hope it was something different and you enjoyed it. Thank you for following along. See you tomorrow.